Hi everyone, it's Luxie Time. Today I'm going to show you a really quick video about how do I convert my Gucci Ophidia cosmetic bag into a crossbody bag. So I have here is my Gucci box and what's inside. So let's take a look. Okay. Alright, I got this very nice Gucci dust bag, and this one I actually got it from the France Gucci store. I can't remember if it's their flagship store or not, but it's definitely was one of the bigger Gucci stores, so it might be their flagship store. And this is the bag. Look how beautiful. So actually I already converted. So as you can see, this is kind of the strap that I bought separately, and this is the original cosmetic bag that was supposed to, that's when I bought it. So the size of this bag is really good. So this is actually the large size, and they do have like the small one, a medium. I think this is the large one for sure. So it has the dimension of 9 inches across, 5.3 inches height, and the depth of it is 1.6 inches deep. So as you can see, it's actually a really big, good size, and I'll show you how much it will fit next. So this bag in the US, it costs $490, but when I purchased it in Europe is 390 euro. Of course, you have to take into consideration of the conversion rate, but otherwise, I think it's like a lot cheaper price to buy. And if you happen to travel in Paris, and I do have a video about my shopping experience in Hermes in Paris, and I actually really truly enjoy shopping at Gucci. Their service is super nice. Everyone is super helpful. So just an overall really good experience. Okay, so how I exactly convert this bag in here. So as you can see, I definitely, I put a D-ring here. So when I purchased it, this is a whole set. I think I got this off of Etsy. I could put a link down below of exactly the store where I purchased it. It actually comes with antique gold or just regular gold. I think this gold kind of matches pretty well, or if you want like a little lighter gold, that will go really well as with the hardware. See, the plastic is still on, so it's still brand new. So when I was deciding, I've seen many video of how people convert this bag, and of course, like, so I have this little clutch here, and this one I actually have a video, so if you want to watch it, I'll link it below as well. So this is my Dior cosmetic bag conversion. So I obviously added a D-ring here, and then I also purchased this chain separately to be clicked onto the D-ring. So as you can see in my other video as well, because of, I guess it sets a little bit low on the bottom, and when I do click it, okay, I'm trying to click it on this side as well, so you can see what I'm talking about. Obviously there's nothing in here right now, so when I lift it up, boom, this is what happens, right? It flips over. So I don't know what causes it, but I guess it's because the D-ring does flick back and forth. So let's say if you are creating a D-ring here with just the clip chain, and there are like other chains you could purchase from Amazon. I'll put a picture down, which is really cute. You have that the red and green stripe, so that's really cute. Crossbody strap you could buy from Amazon. However, because it comes with the same clip as the one of this kind of clip, so when you do put it on, I could see it flips. Therefore, I decided to go with this D-ring. So, right, you cannot remove this D-ring once you put it on. You could, I mean, there's a screwdriver that you could definitely take it out, but once you put it on, it's not like the strap could clip on and off. So it is not removable. However, I think because the way it's set now, there's nothing in it right now. Okay, I'm gonna try to show it now. So see, I'm not even touching, and I'm holding, and it's not flipping. So this is why I like to use this particular one. And like I said, I'll link it down below. Okay. So otherwise, this is a really nice looking double GG. Their monogram is a canvas. So, and it has the signature stripe here, plus the double G. So really cute. And the inside, I currently have paper stuffed, so I'm going to take the papers out. This is a sticky thing. So the inside, it is, I'm going to say it's vinyl, right? So it's like, it's easy to clean because it's a cosmetic bag. So definitely if you put makeups in there, you don't want to be cotton or anything that was staying. So this is, I think you could just wipe it and it pretty much clings easily. So it is quite large in here. So now I'll show you how much it fits. So of course it fits, and this is a decent size wallet. It fits in here, no problem. I have my phone case. This is an iPhone 15. That goes in there. There's like plenty of room. Okay, so then I'll put my card holder here. Oh no, sorry, this is, well, you could use as a card holder, but I put keys in here. So that's my key holder in here. And then again, it's plenty of room. Now I put some tissue in here, through hand sanitizer in here somewhere. Also my my lipstick, and that is lip gloss. Okay, so kind of, I'll toss it in here. As you can see, I feel like there's so much room still, and I could definitely still fit more. Of course, you zip it up. It fits perfectly. It doesn't stick out too much. So when I was trying to initially deciding to buy this one, or a lot of people buy the Louis Vuitton, their cosmetic bags, what I noticed is the LV cosmetic bag, when you do put quite a bit in it, maybe as much as this one, the leather like start bending, the shapes kind of move, like, so it's not, it doesn't shape as sleek and flat as this one. So that's why I decide to go with the Gucci one. Obviously this one actually, it is cheaper than the LV one, and it fits so much more. So I think this is a great purchase if you are interested. And of course it saves you a ton if you just buy one that has, that kind of looks like this one, but it's the actual purse with the strap. It will cost you like definitely like $1,500 or more, so it's a lot more expensive, whereas this one, it's a lot cheaper. And as you can see, the strap color, like, it gets pretty close, like matching wise. It matches the leather trim here, so really I think it's a good deal to do the conversion. So I will put some matcha at the end of this video, so you could see how I wear this and where it fits and stuff. Also, if you like the content of this video, please hit the like, subscribe, and also the notification so you know when I start posting my new videos. So thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.